Most disaster movies are completely useless for real-world survival. They are filled with infinite ammo, spotless clothes, and ridiculous hero moments. But there is a very small handful of incredibly popular films that actually get the brutal, unglamorous reality of a grid-down scenario right. If you want a masterclass in what a total societal collapse actually looks like, you need to study these films. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today we are counting down the top 5 best Prepper and SHTF movies. Let's go. Number 1. I Am Legend, 2007. The ultimate masterclass in urban bugging in. While the monsters are sci-fi, the tactics are pure survival. It perfectly demonstrates the reality of strict daily routines, absolute perimeter defense, and the psychological toll of deep isolation in a dead city. Number 2. The Road, 2009. The most accurate depiction of a truly dead world. When the national food supply completely hits zero and nothing will grow, this film shows exactly how fast humans turn into monsters. It is a terrifying lesson in why security, stealth, and mobility are your only lifelines. Number 3. Contagion, 2011. The absolute blueprint for biological crises. Long before recent events, this film perfectly demonstrated how fast grocery store supply chains break down, how quickly public panic spreads, and why government quarantine zones instantly become deadly traps. Number 4. Leave the World Behind, 2023. A modern wake-up call for cyber attacks and EMPs. It brilliantly exposes how completely helpless the average civilian becomes the second GPS, cell towers, and digital banking go offline. It is the ultimate warning against technological dependency. Number 5. The Book of Eli, 2010. While it has intense action elements, the background environment is pure prepper gold. It highlights the extreme value of a post-collapse barter economy, how basic hygiene items become high-value currency, and why controlling the water supply equals absolute power. Study these scenarios, audit your own gear, and prepare for the brutal reality, not the Hollywood fantasy. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I will see you next time.